Hey guys! This isn't the face that you guys are expecting, is it? I'm filming this intro for my mom. Today we're doing a different kind of video. We're going to chop this, whatever this is, off. It's an oily mess, and I left it just like this just for her. She's gonna be cutting my hair and styling and coloring. All right, I'll leave it to the professionals.
Hey guys and gals, what's going on? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I am back with another video. Yes, in this video I'm going to be cutting, styling, and coloring my daughter's hair. And yeah, she is just an amazing child. I love her so much. But yeah, let's get right into it. So right here I'm just cutting her hair, and we're making that straight line. So my daughter wanted an A-line bob. Not bad, not bad. And I said, okay, well, that's what I'm gonna give her. She didn't want any of those dead ends anymore. So we decided to get rid of them. She didn't want to go too short, but at the end we ended up going a little bit shorter. And this child never holds her head still. So we're just gonna go ahead and keep on cutting until we achieve perfection. While I'm cutting her hair, I just wanted to take the time out to let you guys know that my daughter, Asia, has started her own YouTube channel. So I want you guys and gals to go ahead and check her out. I'll leave her link in the description bar below. But yeah, so right here we're going in with the trimmers, and that's going to make her haircut even more even, if that makes any sense. So it makes for a clean line. It's a lot better sometimes than scissors. And right now we're just cleaning up the ends that are sticking out, as you can see right here. And yeah, you know, haircuts take time, you know, and sometimes you just got to keep going over certain things to get that right angle. So right here we're just perfecting the front, because she wanted an A-line bob, which is pretty much angled frontwards, so it'll be shorter in the back and longer in the front. And that is the look that we are going for. Yes, this child has dyed her hair green. I don't know what she was thinking when she did this, but for whatever reason, she liked it. But you'll see what color we're going for towards the end, because she was amazed at how much hair came off. She was definitely like, oh my God. The look on her face. Okay, everyone, so she did not want layers, so we went ahead and just gave her an A-line bob like she wanted. She didn't want it too short, so we're gonna turn around so everyone can see. So we got that nice and straight in the back. And yes, it's a little choppy because she had layers before, but yeah. She didn't want no more layers, so we're gonna grow the layers out. And this is the end result. So her hair is naturally curly, so we're gonna give it a go.
It's also a greasy mess.
Let's see if we can get this color in. So right here, guys, we're going ahead and getting started with that color. Yes, she's holding the box the wrong way. So yes, here is the color. It is Bleach Please. So this is a new bleaching technique. So we said, let's give it a go. This is something that she wanted to try. I'm not too fond of new things. I like to stick with the old things, you know, regular developer and regular hair bleach. So she's just a little like, why are you giving me a box? But this is what we have to use. We use what we got, right? So she's just going ahead to squeeze this out. And we're about to get started with this bleaching process. This stuff, when I tell you is thick, it is thick. It was so hard to get out of the container that we had to cut it. And yeah, look at that. I mean, it's super duper thick. So we finally got everything out, and we're about to use the Bleach Please developer. So we go ahead and put that together. We're gonna mix it up. I think it would have turned out better had we used regular bleach, but you guys will see what happens towards the end. My daughter's like, Mom, are you really gonna use a fork in my hair? What are you doing? No, stop. She is hilarious. So I only used that fork because we stirred it up with the fork. So like, it's only fair to use the rest of the bleach that's on it in her hair. I have to use every drop because her hair soaks up color and bleach like it's water. So right here, all I'm doing is applying the bleach, please, to her hair. And I've started in the middle, so the mid shaft of her hair, because that's where her hair is natural. Natural meaning her birth-born color, which is black. So I'm starting there because that's going to be the hardest to change. And then after that, I'm applying it to her ends. And then after that, I'm going to go in and apply it to the roots. So that's the reason why I sped this up, is because it's just repetition. You guys are going to see it all over and over and over again. So I just wanted to explain what I'm doing. And yes, guys and gals, I am a licensed cosmetologist. So you can try this at home if you'd like, but I don't recommend it unless you have somebody who's going to do your hair. So yes, her hair was previously bleached at the ends, which is why I left them for last, because I didn't want them to become frayed and brittle and possibly fall off. And here is the result after putting everything in her hair. As you can see, her roots, like I said, turn very, very quickly. Of course, the side that I haven't done, well, not the side that I haven't done, the side that I did last is still taking time to turn, but it'll all catch up and you guys will see what's going on. And yeah, the bleach please kind of still left the green hue in her hair, so I wasn't too fond of that. That was what we were trying to get out, but she wanted to use this new product, so we gave it a go. And you guys will see what's about to happen. So you want to set your timer for approximately 45 minutes. And this is the end result. I mean, the green is still in there, and I said I lathered that baby up. I mean, I put a lot on her ends, but for whatever reason, it didn't take. So we just went ahead and blew out her hair. Like I said, she has a lot of hair. Very poofy, very poofy. So it's time to get into that color. And here we go. So right here, I put the color up on the screen because of course she was covering it with her fingers. But we're gonna stir that up and mix that with developer. I used 10 developer because all we're doing is depositing the color. So that's it, that's what we're doing. But we had to lighten her hair in order to get the color out and make her hair sort of one color so that when you apply the color, it will be one consistent color. But since we used the bleach please, it didn't really do, in my opinion, what I thought it needed to do. So like I said here, we're still doing the same process as we did when we were using the bleach, but now we're using color. So I have applied the color. You will see that in the back, the half that was done last is a little bit lighter and the side that is darker is pretty much done. And here's what it's looking like. Stay tuned for the end result.
All right, guys, so this is the final end result, and this is it. It's so beautiful. I love exactly how it came out. This is the brown that I wanted. Came out amazing. My mom is an artist, guys. I mean, I have these flyaways here, but you know, we've tried everything. So, you know, it's about being Hispanic and black. It just happens. All right. So thanks for staying for the video. Hope to see you guys again.